Log y to the base x square plus log x to the base y square is equal to 1. Y equal to x square minus 30. The value of x square plus y square is a very interesting question. See how we go about this. Log y to the base x square. This is sometimes tricky to do. All of these questions, what I prefer to do is call it as log y by log x square. Both to the base x. Log x square to the base x is 2 log x to the base x, which is 2. Or this is nothing but 2 times log y to the base x, which makes this 2 times log x to the base y. No, not 2, 1 by 2. Half log y to the base x, this is 6. Log x square to the base x is in the denominator, this is 2. So half log y to the base x, this is half log x to the base y. That makes it very simple. This tells us that log y to the base x plus log x to the base y is equal to 2. Half of this plus half of this is equal to 1, or log x to the base y plus log y to the base x is 2. Log x to the base y and log y to the base x are reciprocals of each other. We have k plus 1 by k is equal to 2. You know that anything of the form k and 1 by k plus 1 by k is greater than or equal to 2 or less than or equal to minus 2. It will be 2 only if k is 1. Only 1 plus 1 by 1 is 2. If it is more than 1 or less than 1, positive and more than 1, positive and less than 1, then it will be more than 2. And 1 plus 1 by 1 is the only instance where k plus 1 by k can be 2. That means we know that k is 1. That means y is equal to x. Effectively, this whole thing is an elaborate way of saying x equal to y. Or we are solving for x equals x square minus 30, or x square minus x minus 30 is equal to 0. That is, this can be broken as 6 and 5. X minus 6 into x plus 5 is equal to 0. Minus 6 plus 5 is minus 1, minus 6 into 5 is minus 30. X is 6 or minus 5. X cannot be minus 5, not defined. X is 6. X is 6, that means y is 6. We already established that x is equal to y. It's looking at x equal to y equal to 6, or x square plus y square, 6 square plus 6 square, 36 plus 36, 72.